Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle auto brightness on HP Compaq 250. To do it, go to settings, then go to the system. Now you should see display and you'll see the brightness. Now click on this down arrow and you'll see change brightness based on content, and this means that the brightness of your screen will be adjusted to the content that's being displayed, because this laptop doesn't have a light sensor, so it doesn't know your environmental brightness, so it only can adjust to the content. And you can set it to never, always, or on battery only. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.